what's good, y'all? It's your boy Big Brad, aka Smooth. You already know what it is, man. Crazy night, man. Day one was crazy. I did not expect it. I didn't expect it to be like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think I had one too many drinks. I took my twist out and I went to sleep. And what they call that shit? I got the Will Smith, you feel me? Looking like the Fresh Prince. Got on camera before I even brushed my teeth. Oh my God. Oh man, I feel good, I ain't gonna lie. We worked out last night. Feel it, bro. It feels good, bro. Yeah, let's holler at my sister and my brother. Brianna, opinion on day one.
Day one was lit. We had a good time. We was outside. We was dancing, really life of the party type shit.
We was really the life of the party.
Yeah.
And shout out to Bree, because we did not want to drink or nothing, but she got us one drink and it got us going. Brandon, opinion on day one?
It was a good time, man. I like it here, man.
Yeah, we gotta come back. The grenade, what was your opinion on that?
That thing was good, man.
How you get that necklace, bro? Someone gave it to
I chopped it up with one or two people. Oh no, I chopped it up and they just gave it to me.
That's how it is. We right outside. Yo, the Saints play the Washington Redskins or whatever. You know, Washington, whatever their name is. I don't know. Outside, we're waking up to a lot of music, a whole marching band.
Sniper.
Whoa, that's a sniper? Yo! Hey, man. New Orleans, y'all surprised me, man.
Nice.
Let's get it. All right, y'all, we headed out. I'm gonna say goodbye to the Hyatt, man. This was nice. Good views, you know what I'm saying? Good vibes, New Orleans. I will have to come back. I will definitely have to come back and return. This was nice. We about to head to the port. We're gonna see what the ship is talking about, Norwegian getaway. We all got our family shirts on. Yeah, because it's a family reunion, so we all gotta wear these shirts. I thought that was kind of corny, but whatever. It is what it is, but yeah, shades on, I'm looking fly. Everybody, y'all already know what the fuck going on. Yes, sir. Yes. All right, y'all, we done made it on the parking garage. Norwegian getaway, let's go. We on the shuttle.
Follow and subscribe.
Follow and subscribe, yeah, for sure. Alright, so we done checked in. Bro, my auntie was mad as fuck. They like let us go through the VIP, so we like skipped the line. Like there's a big ass line, bro. We skipped it. We like, how y'all get past the line? Nigga got the shades on in the camera. They thought I was him. They let me through. They see my cousin too. Like, damn, that nigga's slow. They gotta be somebody. They let us through, bro. Look at her, she bad. She was bad.
The art on the nose.
Very nice, very nice.
It's Mermaid. I think it's her name. Ariel.
Next time, go slow.
Hey. Yo, they got the gels too. It's actually kind of warm too. It's like hot. It's hotter than this too.
This ship feels like more fancy.
Yeah, it looks fancy too. All right, y'all, we don't arrive. Let's hit it.
I'm gonna break that shit.
Bree said she gonna be in the casino.
I'm gonna
with
be
it.
in the casino.
You know what I'm saying?
Big break.
Watch, I'm finna strike for something.
Okay.
All right. Hey. Wash your hands.
Wash it now. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Wash your motherfucking hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your
First meal of the cruise, pasta, sirloin, veggies. It's my sister's plate.
Too lazy for that. I'm already seated.
Who is it? Slow down, man. Slow down, my God. Hey. All right, y'all. First meal was very good. It was hitting. We about to go meet the family for a family photo. And then I'll show y'all around the boat, you know what I'm saying? We'll see what's going on. We got some nice art over here, too. Yo. What you looking at, man?
7 shots of Don Julio.
God,
Remember your answer. 6.
All right,
7.
11.
Give me a hand. Okay, follow my instructions.
Okay.
Don't open until I tell you. Watch my finger. Okay, close it. Close it. All right.
Okay.
Don't open.
Okay.
I want you to feel. Is it
Okay.
moving?
No.
No. Okay, I want you to shake it. Like a Polaroid.
Okay.
Hold on. Don't open.
Okay.
Come here. Okay. Is it moving now?
No.
Remember your answer. 1, 6,
4.
11.
11. Open slow.
We're here.
Well, you already know how I'm rocking, man. Cheers.
That one is the Moscow.
As mentioned, fire prevention is a priority on board. We kindly request to unplug all electronic devices before leaving your stateroom. Your stateroom attendant has been instructed to disconnect any electronic devices that have been left unattended.
Cool, man. Alright, y'all, this is my sister's room.
Gang, gang.
They done got the sweets. Came with some chocolates. Ooh.
About this.
Good art.
Best part.
Best part. Ah, nice. Balcony. So we're gonna be able to see the ocean out here. Ooh, we can see the city out here. New Orleans, man. Shout out to New Orleans. They have a boat party, a sail-off party at 4, so we're gonna hit that. Stay tuned.
Go to it.
Y'all, she's a girlfriend now.
I have a boyfriend. Grandma knows I have a boyfriend. She likes him. But so
It's hard to stay a dog. It's hard to stay a dog. Are we ready to keep this party going?
Alright, y'all. Ship is taking off. New Orleans, we'll be back Sunday.
No, I'm not.
Oh. I might give Jared buckets again.
One of them was saying they
last
was trying to
cruise,
play
I was cooking that nigga and shit.
When I was 13, picking on a little kid, bro.
Nigga was getting cooked.
It's a new age now. It's a new age now, man. Hey, your shoes are done.
Alright, what's good with y'all, man? I am all dressed up. We are doing a specialty dining experience tonight. Going to a Brazilian steakhouse. Got the nice shirt on. With the pants and the shoes, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's been cool so far. I'm a little upset. There's no hugs. I've not seen no hugs.
Please, no.
But a hug. But we'll see, man. It's only been a couple hours. About to enjoy this steakhouse. I'm gonna leave the camera. But yeah, bro. Alright, y'all. I'll tap in with y'all later. Dinner was fire. Dinner was good. We went to a Brazilian steakhouse. The way it was like open salad bar for appetizers. Very good salad bar. They had like sushi, all type of stuff. Then the main entree was, they just bring out a bunch of meats to you. And so they had like lamb, pork belly, filet mignon, different types of steak. Chicken, oh my God, they had this garlic chicken. That joint was super fire. And they had this smoked pineapple that was like glazed with brown sugar, and they like caramelized it. Bro, it was crazy. Tasted super good, like 10 out of 10, man. Not gonna lie, very good. But unfortunately, that was our only specialty dining. So me and my brother only got one. My sister and my mom, they got like 2 specialty dining, so they probably get to go to another one, but it is what it is. I ain't tripping. And now we about to go burn this fat off, man. We're gonna hit the gym real quick, see what's up with that, man. So I'm gonna bring the camera for that. About to get ready right now. All right, y'all. We done made it to the gym. We got Jared here in church right now. Yeah, I need to start doing this one.
Oh yeah, I can see the stretch in the shirt. Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, y'all, did a quick workout at the gym. Went and grabbed some food. This is gonna come in clutch later. We about to go to a Deal or No Deal show, but we're not really hungry right now. But the kitchen closes at 9:30, so it was smart for us to go ahead and just get some food because I know I'm gonna be hungry. So. They got that was cool. Entertaining. I'll be back tomorrow. If you know me, you know my favorite drink is mojito. Got the mojito, man. Man, watch
We got juice. That way got juice.
Mojito, baby. You already know. Yeah, you did.
All the freaks, they're doing it not today. Feel the river, check the line, and have a real good time.
Day one is over, bro. Day one, that was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, we ended the night super lit. The party was super fun. It was playing all right music, but like sometimes you just gotta realize where you're at and make the most. You just gotta make the most of what you got at hand. You know what I'm saying? At first, it's like, bro, the group that I was with, they were like, oh no, they not playing good enough music. Like, bro, you gotta realize we're at a cruise. They're not finna play Sexy Red. They're not finna play fucking, you know, Boss Man D-Lo, bro. They're gonna play the music that everybody can dance to. There's a lot of white people on this bitch. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of black people too. So you gotta have a good equal mix. You know what I mean? So he was playing that shit. He started off with the old school shit. Then he went to like the rap shit. You know, Waka Flocka, No Hands, Swag Surfing. Like that shit was cool. Like, you know what I mean? The cruise ship is really nice though. They got a lot of bars, good ambiance. There's my favorite bar over there, Sugar Cane Mojito. Sand Bar. Nigga, they got an ice bar. We finna go there tomorrow. I met this girl named Mariah. I met this other girl too. I started talking to this other girl first. And then when I was talking to the other girl, like some other girl just came in and like just deleted the other bitch. I forgot her name and everything. But I met this girl named Mariah, she cool. So I'm gonna see if I can get her on the camera, you know what I'm saying? That's really one of my goals, to get one of the girls, interview them, you know what I mean? That shit would be cool. But all right, bro, that's it for day one. I'm finna call it a night, man, let's get it. See y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let's take a picture with rock on you.